day and she somehow spotted this. Beyond Jerky.
Which means it's not real meat. And it's made with legumes, which is beans and peas.
Mung beans. Oh yeah.
Yep.
So original flavor.
10 grams of protein.
Per serving. How many servings? One packet. So the whole thing is worth 10 grams of protein. Alright, y'all?
Yep, there's 90 calories. Like and comment. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You feel me? Get a notification whenever we post a video.
Alright, y'all. Let me dump mine on the
It
tray.
stank. I don't like how it smells.
It's like kind of. Oh fuck.
Musty. Smell like musty meat. Meat must.
Let's see the texture, y'all. Ooh, it looks like. Honestly, I forgot what real jerky looked like. Why you dump it like that?
Oh, before I start, I'm cracking my. What is it? Mug. Why did it mug? Oh, and they have a pug. Is that a pug or is it supposed to be a bulldog? My root beer. I know it's been a minute, and I know y'all miss my burps. I know you do. I know you do. You ain't gotta lie.
We heard about y'all.
You ain't got to lie, Craig. Good.
Well, shit. Might look like mine when you do
Smell like sweetness. So what are the flavors that go into root beer? Is it like vanilla, root? What the fuck is the root part of the root beer? What is the root that goes in?
Vanilla root.
That's not vanilla root.
Ugh. That shit burn your throat, bro.
Just gonna say natural and artificial flavor. Bitch, what are the flavors?
Ain't nothing in here but some fucking sugar and water. Did you try it? Oh, this is kind of good, bro. It's very, very chewy. I'm smacking. It's good.
The texture is great. Y'all got the texture down. I don't know if I'm sold on the flavor though. It's the smell for me.
I'm probably because this is the original. Got the spicy one. 10% iron.
Kind of tastes like hard water. You know when your water bottle's been in the car or not.
Bro!
Tastes like BPA.
She's lying.
BPA and barbecue sauce.
Because y'all know that all vegan food is cholesterol free because only food with animals contain cholesterol. So if your cholesterol is high, all you have to do is stop eating foods with animals in them. Simple. Let's hear it.
I don't like this shit.
It does have.
Salt.
It's hella salty, yeah. It is. This shit salty as fuck. Like 500 milligrams of salt. Gosh.
It has a quarter of your daily serving of salt in one pack.
Yeah.
So if you eat 4 of these, you consumed all the salt you need for the day. Everything else needs to be salt free. It's got 15% of your protein for the day though. And just a little snack. That's not bad.
That's a lot of salt, bro. Well, I'm gonna give it like a It would have been good. It was so fucking salty.
But what do you think about Isn't that how they make jerky? They salt it to dehydrate it. That's how they make
Is it that salty? I don't remember.
I ain't gonna lie, the people outside just scared the shit out of me. And I thought somebody done broke into this house for a second. I was like, oh. It's shit, but I like it at the same time. I don't know. I think I just missed a chew of jerky. I'm gonna give this a 5.
A 5? Yeah. The texture is a 10, but the taste is like salty as fuck. So
Maybe a different flavor.
A honey one.
Yeah, this doesn't taste like the regular Beyond Meat bullshit that you get. Like their burgers, trash. Ooh. You let her fly. No.
Oh.
Yum.
6 out of 10?
I said 5. She being awfully giving.
Be sure to burp with your stomach.
What's mud backwards? Y'all.
That shit smelled like
Ew.
garlic and jerky. She's gonna fart instead.
No. Don't listen to her. Nobody gonna fart. Don't listen to her, bro. Try to make some up.
Oh, she gonna do the dance.
I gotta stand up. Yeah, you know. Oh my God, my legs! My legs!
My legs. You gonna eat the rest of the jerky or what?
What the? By myself?
Don't be wasteful.
I know you're not. That shit like the heat came out my nose. On that note, y'all.